Imagine this. You are sitting at a restaurant, hungry and ready to enjoy your meal, but when your food arrives, it is not what you ordered. What do you do next? In this short and practical conversation, you will watch how a customer politely explains the mistake and how a waiter responds professionally and quickly to fix the problem. This video is perfect for English learners who want to improve real-life speaking skills, customer service communication, and polite conversation in everyday situations.
Title: My order is wrong at the restaurant.
Excuse me, I think my order is not correct and I need some help.
I am sorry about that, ma'am. Can you tell me what seems wrong?
I ordered a chicken sandwich, but this looks like a beef burger.
Thank you for letting me know. Let me check your order slip quickly.
I was also supposed to get fries, but I received a salad instead.
I apologize for the mistake. We will fix this for you right away.
I've already waited a long time, so I hope it will be quick.
Yes, I understand your concern, and I will speak to the kitchen immediately.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help with this problem.
No problem at all. Customer satisfaction is very important to us.
Should I keep this plate here, or would you like to take it?
I will take it now and bring you the correct order shortly.
I hope the new order will be hot and freshly prepared.
Absolutely. We will make sure your food is fresh and hot.
I am also a bit thirsty. Could I get some water, please?
Of course. I will bring you water while your food is being prepared.
Thank you. That would really help while I'm waiting.
Here is your water. Your correct order will arrive in about 5 minutes.
That sounds good. I appreciate the update and quick response.
Again, I am very sorry for the inconvenience this caused you today.
It is okay. Mistakes happen as long as they are fixed properly.
We always try our best to correct any mistakes quickly and politely.
I can see that. Your attitude is very professional and helpful.
Thank you so much. That means a lot to our team and me.
I will wait here for my correct order to arrive.
Here is your chicken sandwich and fries, just as you ordered.
This looks perfect. Thank you for fixing the mistake so quickly.
You are welcome. Please let me know if you need anything else.
No, everything is fine now. I'm ready to enjoy my meal.
Enjoy your food and thank you for your patience and understanding.